Are you tired of Jira's rigid default statuses that don't match your team's workflow? Learn how to create custom ticket statuses in under 5 minutes. We'll start from your Jira account, open your project, and then create a new status step by step. Let's dive in. All right, let's start with the first step, logging in. Go ahead and open up your Jira account. I'm working from my own dashboard here, and yours will look very similar. Don't worry about finding a specific project just yet. We just need to get into the system first. It usually loads pretty quickly, so you should see your main projects list in just a second. Once you're logged in, navigate over to your project. On the left side panel, you'll see a list of all your recent projects. Just click on the one you want to customize. In my case, I've got my IT project open right here. Now, here's something I've learned from doing this a bunch of times. You might have to scroll a little if you've got a lot of projects. That's totally normal. From the project, go to the backlog. You'll see it in the left sidebar menu, usually right in the middle of the list. The backlog is where all your upcoming work lives, so it's the perfect place to start thinking about custom statuses. Go ahead and click on that. Now, select any ticket to see its details. It honestly doesn't matter which one you pick. We're just using it as a gateway to get to the status options. Click on any issue in your backlog, and it'll open up on the right side of the screen. On the right panel, find the current status. You'll see it right near the top of that panel. For most teams, it'll say "To Do" by default. That's the standard starting point that Jira gives you. But we're not stuck with that, and that's exactly what we're here to change. Click the drop-down next to the status. It looks like a small arrow right beside the word. This drop-down shows you all the possible statuses your ticket could move to. Now, this is where the magic starts. From the drop-down, select Create Status. It should be right at the bottom of the list. I've clicked through this menu dozens of times, and I always appreciate how Jira makes this option easy to spot. It's almost like they know you're going to want to customize things. Now, type your custom status name. For example, let's say you want a status called Closed. Just type it right into the text field. And here's the really important part. Think about your actual workflow. What statuses do your team really use? Maybe it's awaiting review, or needs testing, or ready for deploy. Whatever fits your process. I'm going with Closed for this example, since it's nice and clear. Select a category like Done to define the status type. This is probably the most crucial step. The category tells Jira what kind of status this is. You've got 3 options: To Do, In Progress, and Done. Since Closed means the work is finished, I'm selecting Done. This determines how Jira treats the status for things like reports and board columns. Get this right, and everything flows nicely. Finally, click the Create button to save. And just like that, your new custom status is ready to go. You'll see it appear in the drop-down whenever you're changing a ticket's status from now on. And there you have it. From being stuck with Jira's limited default options to creating a status that actually matches how your team works. I've walked through this process step by step, right from a real live project, so you know exactly what to expect. Next time your team needs a new status for a specific workflow stage, you'll know exactly what to do. Thanks for watching.